Hello everybody, I'm Van, and today I'm gonna do a bike check. This is my 2012 Scott Voltage FR20. I paid 410 euros for it, which is really cheap, but it has its problems. We'll see. So, starting off, rear tire, we've got a Schwalbe Magic Mary 26-inch with Alex rim FR32. It's literally the first time I've ever heard of this brand, but let's move on. In the front we've got some clutch DH tire with also the Alex rims. As gear shifter I've got a SRAM X7. I find myself pretty good with it. It's a little... I've got a loose chain, but I've got my chain guide, which is an A13 chain guide, which is really good. It helps me. It helps my chain. But okay, let's move on. For the brakes, I've got a Avid 55 with 200 millimeters rotors, front and rear. And I have a Fox Van R rear suspension, 180 millimeters of travel. I have a 350 pound coil, which is a little too soft for my body weight, and I'm planning to buy a, I don't know, 450, 500 pound coil. Front suspensions, I've got a RockShox Domain dual crown fork. It is a free ride fork, but I don't like that it doesn't have any configurations in here except for a rebound adjuster on the other side of the fork. We also have a 20 millimeters axle through axle. Oh my god, so sorry. And I've got a original Scott seat, which is the one that comes out of the fabric with the bike. I've got some X-Pedo pedals. It's a little weird name, but let's move on. Hasselfeld cranks. This E13 chain guide, which I've already talked about. And this is pretty much it. This is my Scott FR20 Voltage, and hope you liked the video. Sorry again for my bad English, but I'm trying my best. Leave a follow if you liked it, and I will upload new videos soon. Bye.